Looking for a full-featured bike for someone that's relatively new to the sport at $1,099? This could be yours. This is the 2026 Denago MX2, a perfect bike for someone that's relatively new to the sport, wants a traditional manual shift type bike, is okay with a Kickstarter, is looking for good suspension, good brakes, can pretty much be ridden in any condition, has a relatively low seat height, so someone that wants to be able to put both feet on the ground. As you can see, I can put both of my feet pretty much firmly on the ground. Like I said, this is very important to somebody that's new to the sport because they're afraid they're going to fall over and they want to be able to put both feet firmly on the ground. So this seat height is perfect for that type of person. Also new for 2026 is the MX1, the MX2, and the MX3 all share the same shifting pattern. So all the way down is first, in between first and second is neutral, and thirds above that, fourths above that. Very, very traditional, very easy to remember, very easy to use. Another feature that's very usable, not many bikes come with it, is a kickstand, a retractable kickstand. This kickstand's great, so when you come back to camp, you come back to wherever your truck is, you just take the kickstand, put it down, you can get off the bike. You don't have to worry about picking the bike up, putting it on a stand, leaning it against something. Really, really, really helpful feature. Another really great feature on all the Denagos is they come with retractable and adjustable levers. So the clutch lever, brake lever, same thing. If you fall down, instead of braking, they just fold backwards. Also, you have adjustments on both of these so that you can adjust them for the size of your hands. Super, super usable. Another new feature for 2026 is the start-stop switch on the MX2 and the MX3 now have a diagram or a graph on it that tell you that in is off and out is on. Another couple features that are new for 2026 is a all-new gold-plated chain that is a much better quality chain than the chain of its predecessor. It's less likely to stretch so quickly and less likely to wear out your sprockets. Also, combined with that, we've now put adjustment lines on the swing arm, so it makes chain adjustments much easier to perform. In addition to that, 2026 also comes with a rim lock. Rim lock is almost on all the more premium bikes that are out there. The reason for it is because it actually locks the tire to the rim, ultimately reducing the possibility of the tire spinning on the rim and then you ending up getting a flat. The 2026 Denago MX2, available in 5 unique colors. It also costs only $1,099. For more information, visit denagopowersports.com. Let's go. I was born to kill it. I was meant to win. I am down to win.